Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sydney. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, welcome. I make natural hair content and more. Today I'm going to be doing a braid out using this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curling Cream. I did intend for this video to be two videos, like separated, but instead I made it together. So that's why I don't have an intro. But yes, I'm just going to be doing a braid out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Today I think I'm going to do something different. I'm just going to go around. I think I'm just gonna part my hair around like so. Let's see if that's straight. Alright, that's good enough. I literally just parted it around. Hold on, I gotta go get my scrunchies. In a little section. I'm just gonna part my hair in a medium-sized section. Alright. And I'm basically gonna do that for all of my parts. Okay, y'all, so here's me just looking for my spray bottle. Okay, there, I found it. And then I'm gonna spray my hair with water. And then I'm going to brush my hair out with my Tangle Teaser and my brush. Then I'm gonna take my product and finger detangle. Okay, y'all, it's ready to go ahead and do what I need to do now. I love the slip, like, it's amazing. I'm not trying to do these mini sized, but I might have to do that. That's one braid. Alright, on to the next. Let me do that again for y'all. Hold on. Oh, y'all wasn't ready. Y'all wasn't ready. And it's so soft. Like, I'm gonna have to definitely try this for a wash and go. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to complete the process with the rest of the braids, water, brushing, and finger detangling. I love this product. It's making it so easy to comb through and like run my fingers over it. It makes my hair so soft and it instantly curls my hair up. Okay, y'all, so I am done with that first section of my hair. Now it's time to do the next row. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. My braid outs have never been this long. Okay, so half of my head is done, and now it's time for the other half. So I'm just going to split that half down the middle, and then I'm going to do 6 braids on each side. This side, I did 6 braids in that little section. So I'm going to try to do 6 braids on the other side. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with the braiding portion of my hair, and now it's time for the takedown routine. So of course I'm going to start out with some oil. This is just some black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and I just put it in this little bottle because you know you can do that. So I'm first going to oil my scalp. And pretty much all you're going to need is really just this comb, or like a pick really. Just and then I'm going to take and put some on my fingers. I'm just gonna around like so. I'm gonna start from the bottom and then work my way up. Okay, so once I am unraveling my braids, I like to go with the braids so it can be more defined when I take them down. So far it's turning out pretty good. Now it's time for this side. Okay, I'm done. Um, okay, y'all, these are the results. I think this is the best braid out I've done on my channel. I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, y'all, but yes, I am done. As always, you guys can always pick pick as much as you want, pick as less as you want. It's all about how you want the shape to be. I'm just gonna leave it like this because there's a lot of definition that I'm liking. I'm liking the length. So overall, I really like how this braid out turned out. I just like this one. thank y'all so much for watching this video. If y'all forgot what product I used this Cream of Nature hydrating coconut milk hydrating curling cream for natural hair. But yes, it worked really good, as you can see. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys in the next video.